We're very happy that the team of UNOC France and the team of IOC have joined together to host this thematic consultation on UNOC, co-hosted by France and Costa Rica.
Science is not a subject that can just be attached to major international gathering. It must be the main course of this gathering.
Is absolutely fundamental to sustained action for the ocean.
The Decade Vision 2030 process, launched a year ago, is now the largest coordinated ecosystem for ocean research.
Aquatic foods play a vital role for global food security, nutrition, and livelihoods. We set out to outline the science and knowledge needed to ensure the ocean is recognized as a key contributor to nourishing the global population.
We are the major recommendations out of the Vision 2030 paper, integrating coastal resilience targets into SDGs in a way that hasn't been done yet.
People from our countries many times are invited to oceanographic expeditional observers, but in many of our countries we have the capabilities of being co-investigators.
Expectations from the United Nations Ocean Conference and the special event that is going to precede that, which is the One Ocean Science Congress.
All those themes are related to multilateral issues, fora negotiations ongoing, the UNFCCC, the Plastic Treaty, CBD, BPNG, etc. We want really to cover at the Congress with those themes a range of very hot topics.
So I expect that at one point of time at the One Ocean Science Congress, there will be a conversation about how can the research vessels be exemplary.
One of the things is that the ocean is managed in an equitable manner. Management of the ocean is actually management of human activities. We need to integrate indigenous knowledge, local knowledge, practical knowledge.
Fish is common property and transparency is central if we are going to achieve sustainable fisheries, not only for us, but for future generations too.
What means and tools do we have to measure ocean health and guide decision making?
We have a second global assessment which will start next year hopefully and end in 2028, and this will place a greater emphasis on ocean biodiversity and ocean services.
There is urgent need for nations to invest in the global ocean observing system, and the GOOS, or the global ocean observing system, is a system of people, of instruments, of finances, users, implementers.
I'm here to represent all the ocean prediction centers that are running digital systems. We are already shifting to digital twin oceans, that is modern way of generating information based on digital, more interactive.
The state of the ocean is declining. We think that one of the root causes identified is misfunctioning of the science policy interface. And IPOS is a new initiative that aims to fill the missing piece of the puzzle.
Our measurements today of temperature and salinity of the upper reaches of the ocean really need to be expanded to measure essential ocean variables such as nutrients and oxygen and pH. Really an ocean internet of sensors that allows us to observe the ocean in much the same way that we do with the atmosphere.
The Middle East since a long time was not part of all those discussions. We saw during the last COP28, it's a very important part of the world and we need to be more involved.
So we need to have more and more observations. From the observation, we need to get the data to analysis to information to knowledge base.
I suggest to develop user-friendly public-facing products that can translate scientific data into action-able information and science-based solutions.
The third World Ocean Assessment, which is due in 2025, it will be extremely important to further enhance cooperation and coordination with IPBES, IPCC, UN Oceans Decade, and the planned proposed International Panel on Ocean Sustainability.
When we gather in Nice 2025, let's keep in mind that just across the ocean from there are some of the areas in the world that will be the most impacted by sea level rise. Between now and Nice, we need to think action. We still have the chance to do things right. We need to get engaged and make sure that we leave a healthy ocean to future generations. Yes, we need to think science, but let's really gear ourselves into what can be knowledge-based actions that we can deliver from Nice.